Hello and welcome, this is Mr. Munton. Today's video is one of the first ones I'm making about how to start a flipped classroom. The question really is, if you're interested in starting one, where do you even start? Do you buy things? Do you need software? And how are your kids going to access it? So I'm going to cover just some really simple ways to get started that's not going to cost you anything. So, you can see right now I'm actually on my computer in my classroom using a program that I got for free on the internet. And so I'm going to give you that program and show you where that is. Here it is. So this is our FBA website from our school. But all you need to do is search for screencast. And there it is, O-matic. Okay, so search for screencast O-matic and actually go to this site. It's going to be that first one, okay? And you're going to download and install this program. You can do it through this and not necessarily have to install it, and you're welcome to try that as well. I like to have the little icon on my desktop and not have to mess through actually going through the website every time. So that's what I'm actually using now, and through this program, your screen will be able to be sent, recording with your voice, and be able to be sent to YouTube where your kids can find the video. So, do you need anything monetarily for this? No. And do you need to buy a microphone? Well, yes and no. If you already have an iPhone, you can download the program, the app, sorry, Megaphone free. It might also come up as megaphone or microphone AUX for auxiliary. This is the program I'm using now. I use an auxiliary cord, which is a cord that's used for your car, for if you have an auxiliary port in your car. It's male to male. And you can get these for a couple of dollars online. A lot of you already have them. And you can just use your phone for your microphone for your computer. That's what I'm talking into now. I'm talking into my iPhone. And that will actually show up when you download this program. It should just work. And I say that really, you open the program, plug in your auxiliary port to your headphone jack, actually to your microphone jack, sorry, below your headphone jack in the front of your computer, and you will see it register. And I can't show that now, but it'll be down here when it pops up, and you'll see that it actually works. And that's something, if you have questions on, you can email me or leave a message, and I'll help you with that. So this is one way to do that. So let me just demonstrate how this would work for a flipped classroom. Here at FBA, I have Starboard software. I have a Starboard. It's like a Promethean board or Smart board, and I'm just going to open up the program and go over to my Smart board and do a problem. And of course, it's going to load at some point here. There it is. So this is the old software for Starboard, and you can see it's moving kind of slow. However, I can go to new page, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to walk over to the Starboard and do a problem. So I'll just make up a simple problem and I'll be right back. And of course, I'd be talking through this the whole time, explaining my process and everything. And of course, you can hear me very well. If you're going to use this, you're going to want to put your microphone a little closer to your board and talk through a problem. Now, I'm coming back over to the actual monitor here. Using this program, I can do all sorts of things. I could change it from blue, and I could have done that up there as well, and change it to red, whatever. Clear things quickly, move the page down. I can do this all from the Smart board. I can put a problem up here and do the same sort of thing. What this program also does, you can pull something up, and so here's something from basketball. I could actually go over here and go through it and say, hey, you need to put your name here. And I could really do a bunch of things. A lot of teachers are using videos, and they're having videos of themselves and doing problems that way, doing it on a board. I find this to be even better because the students aren't distracted by having to look at the teacher. They're just seeing the work. They're just seeing what you are doing on the board. And so I think it's a good way to show problems. And we think of like Khan Academy and those sorts of things. They are using the same sort of idea of software, just screen capture. You can do all sorts of other things. Anything on a computer that you want to show and record and send to your students, you can do that. So I could very easily just pull up a video, and I'll do that. So let's say I wanted them to watch a video. I can pull up a video and record it. Or I can tell them, hey, go to YouTube and go to this and watch that, which would be fine. Of course, I don't have any videos right now. I do somewhere. I don't know why they're not coming up. Let's look. But they can go to your channel, and this is where I'm going to upload this video, and they can find your videos. And here's one I have about this point, 9 repeating equal 1. And they can, and I just made this yesterday. I haven't told them about it because I'm testing all this out as well. But they could go and watch any of your videos that you made. So we can watch my video right now from yesterday that I made. Of course, you wouldn't necessarily do it this way, but there it is, and we worked through a problem. I worked through a problem, and showing them the proofs of why 0.9 repeating equals 1. That's as simple as that. Really, you send them their link or just have them subscribe to your page, and they can get an email alert or a notification on their phone, so they can watch the videos on their phone, on their tablet, on their computer, wherever. So, pretty simple. The smartboard technology makes it easy to do this sort of thing. Of course, you could type things out, and they could see you typing. So if you wanted to practice something, and you wanted to edit their paper on a video, you could do that as well. And you could say, okay, this should be was. Really, you could go through. There's a million things you could do, possibilities for this. Please email or message me with questions, and I will be happy to address those. That is all for today, and good luck to you as you attempt to flip your classroom.